Hello everyone, welcome back to MASA Military. Developed in collaboration with Pakistan, China has promoted the JF-17 Thunder fighter jet to the international market. Argentina and Serbia were two of China's targets. The two countries were considering purchasing the JF-17 to replace aging fleets. However, they ultimately abandoned the Thunder and opted for Western fighter jets. Since the Falklands War in 1982, Argentina has struggled to acquire advanced fighter jets from Western countries, largely due to the UK's persistent embargoes. The UK has consistently blocked Argentina's attempts to purchase a range of fighter jets, including the French Mirage and Super Étendard, Swedish Gripen, Israel Kafir, and South Korean FA-50. These Western fighter jets, which incorporate British-made components to varying degrees, have remained elusive, with no manufacturer willing to risk the UK's disapproval by selling them to Argentina. Argentina is unwilling to buy Russian fighter jets, so the Argentine Air Force has been making do with aging Mirage 3 fighter jets, A-4 Skyhawk attack aircraft, and domestically produced IA-58 Pucara propeller attack aircraft. Therefore, China began promoting the JF-17 to Argentina. As early as 2014, Chinese media reported Argentina's interest in the JF-17. In 2022, Argentina sent two high-level delegations to visit Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group in Pakistan. The Argentine delegation seemed very satisfied with the JF-17's performance, expressing interest in purchasing it multiple times and even discussing technology transfer, with the idea of becoming the general agent for South America. Argentina experienced a political shift when the conservative Milei unexpectedly won the presidency in 2023. During his campaign, Milei emphasized his refusal to engage with the Communist Party and heavily criticized China. After his election, the government completely aligned with Western countries, which the US and UK welcomed. In less than 4 months, Argentina signed a contract worth $650 million to purchase 24 second-hand F-16AM fighter jets from Denmark. Upon its independence, Serbia inherited 5 MiG-29 fighter jets from the former Yugoslav Air Force, one of which crashed. Then, in 2017 and 2019, Russia and Belarus donated 6 and 4 MiG-29 fighter jets to Serbia. All of them are upgraded and are the most advanced fighter jets in the Serbian Air Force. Until the outbreak of the Russo-Ukrainian War in 2022, Russia had been Serbia's primary source of military equipment. However, as Serbia expressed its desire to join the European Union, EU officials demanded Serbia gradually abandon Russian weapons and transition to NATO standard military equipment. Consequently, Serbia began procuring weapons and equipment from European countries and ordered Fk-3 HQ-17A anti-aircraft missiles and Rainbow drones from China. On the 25th anniversary of the NATO bombing campaign, Serbia announced the purchase of 12 Rafale fighter jets from France, indicating its desire to further integrate with the West. Developed through cooperation between China and Pakistan, the JF-17 Thunder is a single-engine, single-seat lightweight fighter jet designed to replace Pakistan's Mirage 3, J-7 fighter jets, and Q-5 attack aircraft. The development of the JF-17 faced numerous challenges and finally entered service in 2007. Since then, China has been promoting this aircraft internationally, but with limited access. Only Myanmar, Nigeria, and Azerbaijan have purchased small quantities of the Thunder. China has produced only 170 over 17 years. China and Pakistan signed a memorandum of understanding in 1995 to develop a new type of fighter jet jointly. Chengdu Aircraft Manufacturing Factory served as the main contractor on the Chinese side, leading to the development of the JF-17, known in China as the FC-1. Chengdu Aircraft acquired the design and test data of the MiG-33 super lightweight fighter project abandoned by Russia in 1998, forming the basis of the JF-17's original design. The Mikoyan Design Bureau began developing a concept for a structurally simple single-engine fighter jet known as Product 33 or MiG-33 in the late 1970s. This fighter jet's overall layout closely resembled that of the F-16, leading it to be jokingly referred to as the F-16 ski. However, the MiG-33 emphasized high-speed performance, adopting a supersonic wedge-shaped air intake similar to the MiG-21, with an estimated top speed of Mach 2. The JF-17 features inwardly canted air intakes, a wing layout similar to the F-16 with wide leading edge extensions extending rearward to form both leading and trailing edges and enlarging wing leading edge extensions. This design significantly enhances the aircraft's performance in mid to low altitude combat, while reducing its radar cross-section. Initially, the JF-17 used the Russian RD-93 engine. It is an improved version of the RD-33 used in the MiG-29 to increase thrust. The Block 3 variant uses China's WS-13 engine. As a single-engine multi-role fighter, the JF-17 has an unloaded weight of 17,560 pounds, a maximum takeoff weight of 29,672 pounds, a maximum speed of 1.6 Mach, 7 hardpoints, a payload of 8,800 pounds, and can carry Western weapons. It incorporates some Western technology, including a British Martin Baker ejection seat. Due to sanctions imposed by Western countries following Pakistan's nuclear tests, most of the avionics equipment in the JF-17 are Chinese-made, with the Block 3 variant featuring an active electronically scanned array radar system. Air-to-air missiles include the PL-5E short-range missile and SD-10 medium-range missile. The SD-10 is an export version of the PL-12 with a maximum range of approximately 43.5 miles. The JF-17's performance is roughly equivalent to that of the South Korean F-A-50, but falls short of later variants of the F-16. However, the JF-17's sales performance could be much better than the F-A-50. The sales of TA-50 and FA-50 have been successful in countries such as Indonesia, Iraq, the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and Poland, with a total production exceeding 200 units. Interestingly, the JF-17 and FA-50 are similar to the F-16 regarding aerodynamic layout and wing configuration, but the design of JF-17 was to counter the F-16. At the same time, the FA-50 resulted from a collaboration between South Korea and the original manufacturer of the F-16. The FA-50 adopts Western standards and can use various European and American weapons. It is versatile and inexpensive, making it popular among less affluent countries. In contrast, the JF-17 extensively uses Chinese avionics equipment, engines, and weapons, posing interoperability and logistical support challenges. Using Western weapons would also raise issues regarding national sanctions, which is a significant reason why most countries do not consider the JF-17. That's all for today. Please like, subscribe, and support MASA Military. See you next time.